Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake, but it made my heart drop. 'Cause it's always been you and I. Give me one more try. This is messing with my mind. Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. We're like everyone else, we have our ups and downs. It is not just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like without me in it. I still thought it'd be you and I until we die. But I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you.
Done.
Well, we made it out to the island for our first night of camping. Went and checked on another one, but it was already occupied, so we brought our little supply of firewood for a fire the next couple nights.
Yeah.
And then this little guy here had to come with me.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You gonna show us your setup?
This way, this way.
We'll go take a look at Austin's camping setup here.
I have my hammock.
Your camping hammock.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a specific name for it?
Survival hammock, I think it is.
Survival hammock?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
And then I have my bud netting.
Yep.
And then it's just like a normal hammock with a tarp over it.
Yeah. Hopefully we won't get any rain, but they are calling for a little bit tonight.
Fine. It's really dry in there when it's raining. And then I have all my blankets already in there.
You already got all your blankets in there, huh?
Oh yeah.
No quilts or under quilts or anything?
Well, I can put an under quilt on it, but I don't know how to attach it on it.
And me being the Walmart shopper I am, here's my Ozark Trail and backpack. A little 3-man tent, which works out perfect to keep everything high and dry.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn.